Welcome viewers to the video. My name is Pratham Mittal. I am a second year student of BTech Computer Science and Engineering at Punjabi University Patiala. In this video, I will show you how I have created the wireless control of home appliance project. I have used Bolt Wi-Fi module and a relay to complete this project. Let's first talk about its applications. This product can be used to switch on and off any current line, any electric line, whether it is DC or AC. It can be wirelessly used to control our home appliances like TVs, washing machines, ACs, and all. It can even wirelessly control heavy motors. Most of the smart home automation products available in the market these days uses the same concept. So now let's begin with the circuit connections. Now let's begin with the connections of the project. This is the Bolt Wi-Fi module. It is the heart of our project. The module is connected to a 5-volt power adapter using a micro USB cable. I have connected 3 wires to the Wi-Fi module. One is to 5-volt for power supply. One is to the GND of the module to get the ground. The third wire is the GPIO wire, which is connected to the GPIO 1. Now I will show how all the things are connected. The red wire is the 5-volt wire, which is connected to the 5-volt of the Bolt module, and another end is connected to the column of a breadboard. We will come back to this column. Now this orange wire is connected to the GPIO 1 of Bolt module. Other end is connected to a breadboard column. The brown wire is the ground wire, which is also connected to the breadboard column. Then the negative terminal of a diode is inserted in the breadboard and its positive terminal is connected to the same column of 5-volt red wire. Now this blue jumping wire is connected to the negative terminal of the diode and its other end is connected to the positive coil of the relay. Now we comes to the orange GPIO wire. A resistor of 330 ohms is connected to the orange wire column of the breadboard. The other end of the resistor is connected to the positive of the LED. The LED will indicate whether the GPIO wire is at high voltage or is at low voltage. Now a diode is again connected. The positive terminal of the diode is connected to the same column of the GPIO line and its negative terminal is connected to the base leg of the transistor which we are using in this project. Base leg is the middle leg of the NPN transistor. The transistor will flow current from collector to emitter if the voltage of the GPIO line is high, otherwise it will not. Then the emitter of the transistor is connected to the ground wire of the Wi-Fi module. The collector of the transistor is connected. It is connected to the negative of the relay coil through this green wire. And also I have extended the ground wire to another column of the breadboard so that the negative of the LED can be connected to it. These were all the inner connections. Now let's move to the outer connections. The black box is a 5-volt relay. I have cutted one wire of the 220-volt AC circuit and joined one end with the common of the relay and another end to the normally closed of the relay. Nothing is connected to the normally open of the relay, as I wanted it to be the AC circuit should be closed when someone opens the power supply, and it can be switched off when GPIO is having high voltage. These were all the connections of my project. Here in the Bolt app, I will show you the HTML document, the web page which I have created that will help us in turning the appliance on and off. So let me show you. This is the web page that I was talking about. By tapping on the on button, we can switch the appliance on, and by tapping on the off button, we can switch it off. This is a basic HTML page for switching our appliance on and off. So now it's time for the live demonstration of the project. This is the circuit connection which I have shown you earlier. I have connected it to the normal home supply. See, it is connected to the 220 volts AC current. Let me switch on the power. When I switch the plug on, the bolt module gets started, and the AC load which I have connected to the circuit starts running. See, the green line indicates that the bolt module is connected to the bolt cloud. Now let's see how the AC circuit switching works. Here's the HTML web page which we have created. As soon as I click on the off button, the bulb gets switched off, and when I click on on button, it will be turned on. We can keep doing it the whole day. This ticking sound which you can hear is actually of the relay. The relay contains an electromagnet which gets heated when I turn the GPIO current high. It gets hit towards the normally open, and the normally open is connected to the common. And when the GPIO current voltage is low, then it is normally connected to the normally closed. So that's all. I hope you must have liked it. Thank you.